Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Knog Scout bike alarm GPS tracker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this tracker is not detected or not found or not responding or not working in some reason, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you're going to want to do this is if for whatever reason you're just trying to get it set up as though it were a totally new device. We can just go ahead and do that real simply. So all we need to do is, first of all, turn the Scout upside down and place it on a horizontal or a flat surface. And what you're going to do is you're going to find the side button, you're going to press and hold that button while you're plugging the device into a USB-C cable. And then once you plug it in, continue to hold that button for 10 seconds until you hear 3 long beeps. If you hear anything other than 3 long beeps, it means something went wrong, you need to try it again. But if you hear the 3 long beeps, that means that it has been successfully reset, and then you can go ahead and set it up as a new device.